Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you have to link your Google AdSense account to your YouTube account. Now it's a very simple process. So after you have completed your YouTube goal, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours. So when you have completed all of that, just simply click on apply on the monetization section in your YouTube studio. So just simply click on apply now. Then over here in the channel monetization section, you will have three things that you have to do. So the first step is super easy. All you have to do is just simply click on start and then just simply scroll down and click on accept terms. Then you will find that the step 1 is done. Now the next step, the second step, which is to link AdSense account with Google. So go to the next step and click on start. Then click on the drop box and over there you will find three options. Yes, I have an existing account. No, I don't have an existing account. And the last one, I don't know. So let's say you don't have an existing account. So choose that option. Then click continue. Now just simply choose the account from which you want to create your Google AdSense account. So choose that account. Now fill up all the details that will be shown over here. So fill up all the details, then scroll down and click on accept association. So after this, Google will take 3 to 4 days to review your Google AdSense account. So be patient and wait for the email. But in my case, I've already done the verification process. So I will just simply choose I have an existing account. Now, if you have an existing account, just simply choose that and click on continue. Then choose your AdSense account. Now again, scroll down, click on accept association. Now you will be given a pop-up and in that pop-up just simply click on redirect. Now after you have been redirected, you will find that your second step has also been done. And now in the third step, your channel is under review. So again, it will take up to at least 5 business days. So be patient and wait for their email. Now, when your channel will be monetized for the first time, you'll find a congratulations banner in your YouTube studio. So when you will see this, just simply understand that your channel has been monetized. Now click on get started. Then click on turn on ads. Now click on next. Over here you will have two options. All of my existing videos I will choose myself. So over here it is asking to which videos do you want to monetize. So in my case, I'll just simply choose all of my videos. So I will click monetize all and then it will take a bit of loading. And after that you will find all of your videos have been monetized. So that's it. And thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.